This story begins in a cave lit by fire, where 3 people are imprisoned and have been for the entirety of their lives. All they can see is the shadows cast by the fire above and behind them. All day long, they see the shadows of people walking by, brandishing strange objects. One day, a wise philosopher chooses one of the prisoners and drags her up the stairs of enlightenment. She is dazzled by the brightness of the almighty sun. She jumps for joy with the realization of the truth. She observes the strange way people live their lives. She decides to go back and enlighten her fellow prisoners. But the prisoners prefer their ignorance. But just because the outside world is not the prisoner's reality, does not make it any less true.